Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is building proposal. This is setting out of proposed building work. We are developing a property in this estate. So this is the early stage. So setting out the building proposal, putting the area that need to be digged up. So we used wood to make the line to map out the area, surface area where we need to dig. And from this process, then we progress to digging of the foundation, and you can see clearly the whole process. So setting out of the building proposal, mapping the area, and also digging the foundation. So this is actually what is going on here. And also in this video, you also see the iron bender putting the wires in the iron together for the pillar. So this iron or rod is what we use for the pillars. So it is putting them together, binding them together with binding wire, putting the rods together with binding wires. So then that is what we need to use in the pillars and at various corners to make the building solid. So this video is just to show you what is going on at the early stage. So we are documenting the process of developing this building.
This is the area of the overhead tank where we mount the overhead tank that will supply water to the building. Heroes Construction. How are you? Yeah. The foundation is in progress. It's in progress. So, how they tell you? Amos, Amos. Try. Azọs n'ọba n'ọnụ ada azụ ọba n'ọnụ foundation no azụ n'ọnụ ihe a na-ama ihe ama ị na-aga na foundation o nwere pattern eji aga na foundation ọwụ a na-ekpupu a na-azọta azọta the foundation process. Foundation is in progress.
Yeah, maybe woman build upstairs for this village. Huh? Maybe woman build upstairs for this village. Three feet and 2 feet 6 foundation, very deep. I must obey. I tell you, I must obey. I must obey. Now, so the work is in progress. It's going. We are there. We are there.
So just showing you exactly what is going on. This is the early stage of proposed buildings. This is what's going on here. Thank you very much.